A completely different video today from one of Duna's masterpieces. This is one take, walking around a latest key collection and giving you an insight into how my brain works. Now this property, I purchased it for £180,000 from I Am Sold. It's in Birmingham. It's a great property in an unbelievable area. The catchment for the schools is amazing and it's incredible. So come in, let me walk around. One take, like I said, one take Duna, no edits, no cuts, and there are people inside the house. I'm talking, don't worry. So we come in, first things first. The property wasn't stripped out like it was agreed once we had figured out the money. And they told us like all of this stuff here, all of the furniture, everything would be gone. That didn't happen. We've got the keys, everything is still here. We also have some additions in the property. Now this is real, this is not set up. This is not for you guys on YouTube to say the team are always working. This is actually what is happening. We have the Prince of Dubai over there. We have the Prince of Handsworth over there. Editing, getting the work done. But guys, all this furniture in this property is a problem because we have to remove it. We have to get people to come down, charity shops. Anybody wants any furniture can come and take it. There are some very good stuff, good items. There are some very good. The standard of the stuff, like the TVs and the Miele washing machine, they are great. Everything else in here might not be to your standards, but it's a cost. Other things that we have in here that are cool, come and take a look at this. We have a new boiler. Now, if you're members of the Property Circle, you're students of my university, you will hear me talk about probate properties all the time. Probate properties have a very good chance that they have upgraded boilers and central heating systems because government grants and schemes, they are in there. But you've seen the properties, we've walked around, it is very dated. It is very 1970s, 1980s. There is lots of old stuff in here. Kitchens need to be replaced. We have a conservatory, guys. Now, I don't usually buy properties with conservatories because I don't like them. Not a fan of them. This will be removed. This will be knocked down. We will not be keeping this conservatory. I don't like it. We have a very decent sized back garden in this property as well. For the age of the property, we have the double radiators throughout the whole house. The central heating has been put on this morning by Dan. And what do you think of the heat, Duna?
Yeah, it's nice, toasty.
It's very toasty in here. So we have the kitchen, a conservatory. We have a small utility room, a lounge. Is there a downstairs toilet in this one? See guys, live and direct, we do have a downstairs toilet. Then we need to lock all this because the heat. Come upstairs, I will show you what we have. We have this needs removing. The windows in this property are in great condition. Very, very good condition windows. Decent sized bathroom. It's not small whatsoever. We do have a problem with the flooring in here because it dips on this side. So that's a slight concern. Could be costly. Find out once we strip the property out. Into the bedrooms, really decent sized bedrooms. This one happens to have a small chimney breast, which will be removed. But again, if you look at these windows, great condition. Don't think the windows need changing. I think that one there needs replacing because of the glass, as in the glass needs replacing, not the window. But all in all, for the age, fantastic. That's the size of the garden. Duna can show you guys. Goes all the way back to that other shed, which is pretty cool. High ceilings. It's kind of like your typical 3-bedroom, semi-detached house in Birmingham in a very decent area. Now, this is 1 bedroom, leading off into another bedroom, which is even bigger than that one we was in just. Another chimney breast, guys. We have a visitor outside. He's there. Mr. COO, Tom Warrilow, has turned up. Dan looks like he needs to go and have some food. He's always hungry. But this was the problem with the furniture. It's a massive problem because there's lots and lots and lots of it. We have the small bedroom here, which again, for a box room, it's not exactly tiny. So I'm super, super happy about it. But the property is going back to brick completely. It will have brand new everything throughout the whole house. Now this is very difficult for Duna right now because Duna likes masterpieces, don't you, Duna? And we're doing this all in one take. Now the purchase price was 180,000. The refurb costs on this property are going to be coming in at around the £60,000 mark. End value on this street with comparables is 300,000 upwards. Now in the market today, will we achieve £300,000 upwards with everything that is going on? Hell yes, because this will be the best house on the entire street. So profit wise, we should be looking at anything from around 30 to 50,000 pounds. Turnaround time should be about 4.5 months. What contractor am I giving the job to? A brand new one.